I love the beach. It's so much fun. I am driving my motorbike to the beach. The beach is so nice and beautiful. I love the beach. Ayan is swimming in the water, and my mom is walking to the seaside. We are running around in the beach. It's so much fun playing and making sandcastles. The water is so much fun. I'm making sandcastle.
অপরূপ সৌন্দর্যে ঘেরা আমাদের এই বাংলাদেশ। এই বাংলাদেশে রয়েছে নদী-নালা, খাল, বিল, পাহাড়, পর্বত, সমুদ্র, আরও অনেক প্রাকৃতিক সৌন্দর্যের এক লীলাভূমি। আমার সবচেয়ে ভালো লাগে পাহাড় এবং সমুদ্র।
I love the beach. It's so much fun. Ayan is making sandcastles. My mom is making videos and pictures. My dad is spinning around. We are having so much fun in this beach. The clouds are so beautiful. I love the sand and the water. I am going so far into the water. I am going to water. My mom is on the seaside. We are playing with the sand. My brother is making sand castles here. I am going to water. The water is very beautiful. My brother is coming to me also. There are beautiful boats there. The sky is so beautiful. If you like this video, please like, comment and share.
ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই কমেন্ট করে আপনার প্রতিক্রিয়া জানাবেন।